God dag, and welcome to Norway. My travels have brought me to the Flam Fjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The best way to see the fjords of Norway is on a cruise, and cruising is your number one best travel value. You pack and unpack one time with all your meals and entertainment included in one very affordable price, with exciting ports of call as you sail the seven seas and explore the four corners of the world. I've got some helpful cruise hints for you that will greatly enhance your cruise experience and save you some time and money. When booking your next cruise, always use the services of an experienced and professional travel advisor who likely will be able to add some special discounts and some free amenities and giveaways. Whenever possible, put down a refundable deposit. You're likely booking your cruise well in advance, and a refundable deposit will protect you and your money from unforeseen circumstances. Understand that shipboard gratuities and internet are an additional charge. Now, most cruise lines will offer you a drink package for both alcohol and non alcoholic drinks at an additional charge. I have found that drink packages are rarely a good value as opposed to buying drinks individually, as you usually have to consume 6, 7, 8, or more drinks a day just to break even on the cost. But a drink package is a great convenience, so you may want to give it some consideration. Do watch out for and talk to your travel advisor about special promotions that will give you the drink package free of charge. On your first day on board the cruise, be sure to walk all of the public areas and know what is where. Book your shore excursions and tours with the ship early, as most of them will sell out. I always recommend travel insurance. Now, I personally don't like spending the money for insurance. Take car insurance. I've never had an accident, but I wouldn't dream of going without it, just as I would never dream of traveling without travel insurance. And finally, don't overpack. In fact, do this. My best travel advice. On the night before you leave, on your bed, put your empty suitcase, all your clothes, and all your money. Then cut your clothes in half and double your money, and you're going to be in good shape. And for the best travel deals on the planet, including discount cruises, give us a call at Morris Columbus Travel.